Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many spreadsheet users encounter when working with repetitive data sets. The problem we're looking at involves creating a pattern of references in Excel that need to repeat every 25 rows. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. The key to solving this issue lies in using the WRAPROWS function in Excel. By utilizing the formula equals take, WRAPROWS, RFA, a 40, a 90, 15, 1, you can seamlessly create a pattern of references that spill for the entire array without the need to manually copy down the formula. This elegant solution simplifies the process and saves you time and effort. Building on the previous solution, another approach to solving the repeating reference pattern problem is to use the formula equals IFERROR index RFA $40, $90, column A1 plus row A11 asterisk 15. This formula effectively generates the desired pattern of references by incrementing the row number in a structured manner. By applying this formula, you can achieve the desired outcome with ease and efficiency. In summary, we've explored two effective solutions to the challenge of creating a repeating reference pattern in Excel. By leveraging the WRAPROWS function and the IFERROR formula, you can streamline your workflow and efficiently handle repetitive data sets in your spreadsheets. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!